Hello students and hello everyone. Welcome back to class 8th maths on my YouTube channel. Let us begin practice set 3.3 on textbook page number 18. Find the cube roots of the following numbers. First one 8000. If you want to find the cube root, use the prime factor division method. Draw the vertical and horizontal line and write the number 8000. Divide the number 8000 by 2. 2 fours are 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. 0 bring it down. 2 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Second 0 bring down. 2 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Then last 0 bring it down. 2 zeros are 0. Quotient is 4000. Divisor is 2. Divisor you have to write this place and quotient you have to write this place. That is 2 into 4000. Divide the number 4000 by 2. 2 twos are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 bring down. 2 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Second 0 bring down. 2 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Last 0 bring it down. 2 zeros are 0. That is 2 into 2000. Divide the number 2000 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 bring down. 2 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Second 0 bring down. 2 zeros are 0. Then last 0 bring down. 2 zeros are 0. That is 2 into 1000. Okay. I already used same division number to 3 times. Okay. From number 1000 I am taking other number divisible. Because when you are finding the cube roots, you have to make 3 times same number multiplication in one group and other 3 times same number multiplication in other group. This is cube of the number tables. So number 1000 is here. Cube of 10 is 1000. So number 1000 is divisible by 10. Divide the number 1000 by 10. 10 ones are 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. Second 0 bring down. 10 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Then last 0 bring it down. 10 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. That is 10 into 100. Divide the 100 by 10. 10 ones are 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. 0 bring down. 10 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. That is 10 into 10. Now number 10 is remaining. You have to divide the same number by 10. That is 10 ones are 10. Now you have to write this multiplication form. That is 8000 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 10 into 10 into 10. 2 into 2 into 2 make it one group. 10 into 10 into 10 make it other group. You have to underline. 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 cube. 10 into 10 into 10 means 10 cube. Now here both number 2 and 10 you have the same index 3. That is in bracket you can write now. 2 into 10 in bracket raised to 3. 2 tens are 20. That is 20 cube. Cube of 20 is 8000. Therefore cube root of 8000 is equal to 20. When you are finding the cube root, you have to write the 3 here and then root symbol. If here 20 cube is there, when you remove this index 3, it become here cube root. Cube root of 8000 is 20. Next, 729. Draw the vertical and horizontal line and write the number 729. 729 is divisible by 3. I have already divided here. So I am getting quotient 243. That is 3 into 243. Divide the 3, you have to write this place, and quotient 243 you have to write this place. That is 3 into 243. Again divide the number 243 by 3. 243 is divisible by 3. Quotient I got here 81 after dividing by 3. That is 3 into 81. Again divide the number 81 by 3. Quotient I am getting 27. That is 3 into 27. Again I have already divided number 27 by 3. 3 nines are 27. That is 3 into 9. Number 9 is going 3 table. That is 3 threes are 9. 3 is the prime number. Prime number you have to divide the same number. That is 3 ones are 3. Now all this you have to write multiplication form. That is 729 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Number 3 6 times is repeating. So you have to make it 2 groups. If the numbers are repeating 6 times, you have to make the 2 groups. That is 3 times in one group and other 3 times in other group. Because you have to write in cube, which means index you have to write 3. 3 into 3 into 3 means 3 cube into 3 into 3 into 3 means 3 cube. Now both number 3 having the same index 3. Okay. If the index are same, then you have to write in bracket. Base you have to write bracket, and index which is same you have to write outside the bracket. That one time you have to write. 3 3s are 9. That is 9 cube. In bracket 3 into 3 which you have wrote base here, that number only you have to multiply. In base only you have to multiply. Index you don't have to multiply. Index you have to write only one time. 3 into 3 cube means 9 cube. Now you have to write cube root. This index 3 you have to remove this. Okay. After removing this index 3, it become cube root. That is, therefore cube root of 729 is equal to 9. Remember one thing, after when you get your last answer here cube here, that only number is the cube root. When you remove this 3 here, it becomes your cube root. Next, 343. 343 is going 7 table. I have already divided 343 by 7. I am getting quotient 49. So 7 into 49. Number 49 is only divisible by 7. So again you have to divide 49 by 7. That is 7 sevens are 49. 7 is the prime number. So you have to divide the same number by 7. 7 ones are 7. Write this multiplication form now. 7 into 7 into 7. 343 is equal to 7 into 7 into 7. That is equal to 7 cube. Cube of 7 is 343. When you remove this index cube, you have to write in cube root form. That is, cube root of 343 is equal to 7. Next, minus 512. Divide the number 512 by 2. I have already divided the number 512 by 2. I am getting quotient 256. That is 2 into 256. Divide 256 by 2. Look at the division of 256 by 2. I am getting quotient 128. That is 2 into 128. Again divide the number 128 by 2. Quotient I am getting 64. That is 2 into 64. Remember, you have to divide the same number up to 3 times, because you have to write cube form of index, and finally you have to put the cube root symbol. That's why you have to take same number division 3 times. Now number 64, you have to take the other number. Look at the table of cube of the numbers. Number 64 is here. Cube of 4 is 64. That means you have to take the 4 table. You have to divide 64 by 4. I have already divided 64 by 4. Quotient I am getting 16. That means 4 into 16. Divide the number 16 by 4 again. That is 4 4s are 16. Quotient I am getting 4. Finally, you have to divide the same number by 4. That is 4 1s are 4. Now you have to write these numbers in multiplication form. 512 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 4 into 4 into 4. The numbers which you have divided 3 times of same number, underline it, and you have to write cube form index. 2 into 2 into 2 is 2 cube. 4 into 4 into 4 is 4 cube. That is 2 cube into 4 cube. 2 and 4 is the base, cube is the index. You have the same index cube of base 2 and 4. Base 2 and 4 you have to write in bracket, and index cube you have to write outside the bracket only one time. That is 2 into 4 cube. That means 2 into 4 raised to cube. 2 fours are 8. That is 8 cube. Now remove this index cube and write it in cube root form. Question what is given? This you have to write in cube root form. After removing this cube index, it become cube root. The question what is there? There only you have to write cube root. That is cube root of 512 is equal to 8. Therefore, cube root of minus 512 is equal to minus 8. Next, minus 2744. Divide the number 2744 by 2. After dividing 2744 by 2, I am getting quotient 1372. That is 2 into 1372. Divide the number 1372 by 2. Look at the division of 1372 by 2. Quotient is 686. That is 2 into 686. Divide the number 686 by 2 again. Quotient is 343. That is 2 into 343. After dividing 686 by 2, I am getting the quotient 343. So write the number 2 into 343. Now number 343, you have to divide the other number. You have to change the number for dividing, because I have already took here number 2 table 3 times by dividing. Look at the table of cube of the numbers. Number 343 is here. 7 cube is 343. You have to divide the number 343 by 7. Quotient is 49. So write 7 into 49 after dividing 343 by 7. 7 into 49. 49 number is going 7 table. So divide the number 49 by 7. That is 7 sevens are 49. Directly you can do if you know the 7 table. And finally 7 ones are 7. Now write these numbers in multiplication form. That is 2744 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7. Underline it and make it groups. 2 into 2 into 2 is 2 cube into 7 into 7 into 7 is 7 cube. That is in bracket 2 into 7 raised to cube. 2 sevens are 14. Answer is 14 cube. Now remove the cube and write in cube root form of the given question. That is cube root of 2744 is equal to 14. Question is given negative sign. Therefore, cube root of minus 2744 is equal to minus 14. Next, 32,768. Cube of the number 32,768 is here. That is cube of 32 is equal to 32,768. For number 32, you can take 4 and 8 table. If you take 2, it will take you long division method. So better take 4 table and 8 table for cube of the numbers. Now divide the number 32,768 by 4. I am getting the quotient 8,192 after dividing 32,768 by 4. That is 4 into 8,192. Divide the number 8,192 by 4. Quotient is 2,048 after dividing 8,192 by 4. That is 4 into 2048. Divide the number again 2048 by 4. Quotient is 512, that is 4 into 512 after dividing 2048 by 4. 4 into 512. Now you have to change the number for dividing. 3 times of table of division 4 I have taken. That's why change the number for dividing. 512 divided by other number. Number 512 is here. 8 cube is 512. You have to divide the number 512 by 8. After dividing 512 by 8, I am getting the quotient 64. That is 8 into 64. Again divide the number 64 by 8. You can do directly if you know 8 table. 8 8s are 64. And finally 8 1s are 8. Now you have to write these numbers in multiplication form. Totally same number repeating 3 times of the multiplication form of divisor is over. 4 and 8. 32,768 is equal to 4 into 4 into 4 into 8 into 8 into 8. 4 into 4 into 4 is 4 cube into 8 into 8 into 8 is 8 cube. Write in bracket base what is there, that is 4 into 8 raised to cube. 4 8s are 32, that is 32 cube. Remove the cube now and write cube root. Cube root of 32,768 is equal to 32. If you take the two table for dividing this number 32,768, it will take you a long division method, and here there is no place, so that's why I will take 4 and 8. I'll show you once again cube of the number table. 32,768 is here. 32 number is 4 8s are. 2 table also is going. Before that I already told you, if you take the 2 table for dividing 32,768, the division will give us long method. So that's why I have taken 4 and 8. 4 8s are 32. That is 32 cube is 32,768. So therefore cube root of 32,768 is equal to 32. Next, simplify. First one, cube root of 27 upon 125. Question number first we have already done cube roots. Here we can do directly. Cube of the number 27 is 3. Cube of the number 125 is 5. That is 27 upon 125 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 upon 5 into 5 into 5. This 3 and 5 you have to write cube form of index. That is 27 upon 125 is equal to 3 cube upon 5 cube. This 3 cube and 5 cube here 3 times which number is repeating here, multiplication form 3 times is there. You have to write cube form of index. That is therefore cube root of 27 upon 125 is equal to 3 upon 5. Next, cube root of 16 upon 54. You don't have the number of cube of the number 16 and 54. So both it is going 2 table 16 and 54. Write in multiplication form of 2 table. 16 upon 54 is equal to 2 8s are 16 upon 2 27s are 54. Now here this 2 and 2 get cancelled. Okay. After cancelling 2 on numerator and denominator, what will remain? 8 and 27 will remain. Now there is cube of the number 8 and 27. That is 8 upon 27 is equal to 2 into 2 upon 3 into 3 into 3. that is 2 cube upon 3 cube, because 2 into 2 into 2 is 2 cube, 3 into 3 into 3 is 3 cube. Therefore, cube root of 16 upon 54 is equal to 2 upon 3. Next, if cube root of 729 is equal to 9, then you have to find cube root of 0.000729. Here cube root of 729 is equal to 9, already given answer. Okay, in question what is given, that you have to write first as it is. Question what is given, write as it is first. Cube root of 729 is equal to 9. Okay, after decimal point how many digits are there? Totally 6 digits are there. So that's why you have to take 6 zeros over here if there are 6 digits after the decimal point. Okay, denominator you have to take 10 lakh, because this is 1 upon 10 place, this is 1 upon 100 place, this is 1 upon 1000 place, this is 1 upon 10,000 place, this is 1 upon lakh place, and this is 1 upon 10 lakh place. So that's why you have to take denominator 10 lakh. Okay, and if you are taking denominator 10 lakh here, you have to remove this decimal point. Okay, and numerator you have to write only 729. Now find the cube root of 729 upon 10 lakh. Cube root of 729 is already given answer here, 9. Okay, then cube root of 10 lakh, find it. How much will come? Cube of the number 10 lakh is 100. I am getting. Count the here 300. How much zeros are there? Count it. Count the zeros only. This is 20, 20, 20. Totally 6 zeros becoming. So cube of the number 10 lakh is 100. That is cube root of 10 lakh is 100. So cube root of 729 upon 10 lakh is equal to 9 upon 100. Therefore, cube root of 0.000729 is equal to 0.09. Why 0.09 came here? That I am explaining you. Here 9 upon 100, here denominator you have 100, numerator 9 is there. If there is denominator 100, decimal point will go before 2 digits. You don't have any number over here before 9. So that's why it is cube root of 0.000729 is equal to 0.09. If you understood, practice at 3.3, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.